money or go home. 'Di ba? Literally, that's what sales is. That's what marketing is. It is a money or go home deal. Hindi pwede niyan. Bakit yan yung word na ginamit mo? Kasi ito lang po yung naisip ko. Hindi siya pwede. It has to be the right word at the right place. Sino dito meron kayong mga favorite movie? Ayan. Sige, Leia, anong favorite movie mo? John Wick. Anong favorite line mo sa John Wick? Oh, parang you killed my dog. Yun na yun. Yung mga may lines, yung mga favorite nyo, mga kunyari, rom-com. Ano mga favorite nyong rom-com, guys? One more chance. You had me at my worst. Alam mo, tingin nyo, iniisip yun ni John Lloyd. Wala lang, naisip ko lang on the spot. Or hindi. The most powerful lines from your most favorite series, from your most favorite movies, had a script. Tama? And then they delivered it perfectly well that you still remember it until today. So what makes you think, if you are in a, hindi na nga to life or death situation money or go home. Diba? Literally, that's what sales is. That's what marketing is. It is a money or go home deal. Yes or no? What makes you think that you can just approach it, whatever you think at the moment, yun lang sasabihin mo? No. Every word matters. You need to have a script. But you need to have a script. Ask me why, ladies and gentlemen. Because how many of you here, just like me, are not in good mood every day? Sino dito sometimes katulad ko, paminsan bad mood? Even if I've been doing this for more than a decade, sometimes there are just moments wherein I don't know what to say. Meron ba nakaka-relate doon o ako lang? Kayo din? Yeah. So why are we going to rely our result on mood? Why are we going to rely our result based on feelings? I don't want to base it on feelings. I don't want to base it on mood. I want to base it on one thing. Ask me what? My system. I want to base it on my structure. And in as far as a sales conversation is concerned, I want to base it on my script. That's why, should be intentional. She's been doing it long enough, she knows her script. Hindi porke hindi siya magaling mag-English, wala siyang script. Nakikipag-chismisan nyo, pero may script yon. But she was so good that she made the script so informal. Are you guys with me? Naakala nyo, nagkikwentuhan lang yan, nakikipag-chismisan lang yan, pero yung totoo, based on result lang based on check. She led. Diba sabi ko nga, you are not a salesman, you are a leader. You're leading people towards something.